Hello, Chef here, back in one of the kitchens, and once again I'm working with some really cool stuff. These are super expensive dried chanterelle mushrooms. I'm putting some of them in this glass here, just enough for 2 servings. That's all I'm cooking tonight here. So 2 servings of chanterelles right there. That'll be good. It's going to flavor a really nice hunter sauce. To reconstitute the chanterelles, it's quite simple. Boiling water right over the chanterelles like this. Fresh garlic. Use the hammer. It's so easy to work with the garlic. Just a real quick mincing here. This is cube steak, otherwise known as country steak, fried steak, pan-fried steak, whatever you want to call it. I'm making cube steak with a hunter sauce. A seasoned flour mixture right here. That is flour and some herbes de Provence mixed together. Alright, just a little bit. And quite often, for color, we're going to put a little bit of paprika in with the flour as well. So I got that all right here. Blend it together. Alright, so then we're going to remove this and put it aside and have this ready. Okay, a quick mise en place here. Of course, I've got some onion. We're going to go minced onion, very small, like this. Reserve that onion aside, and we're going to be moving on to the tomato. Ah, look at that nice, beautiful, fresh tomato. Very quickly, we're going to be removing the top of the tomato and giving the tomato just a quick small dice, like this. We've also got the chanterelle mushrooms, and the fresh basil. Alright. Okay, this recipe is really very simple. I take my seasoned flour and I toss the steak in it very lightly, like this. This is good to go. I've got a hot saute pan right over here. A little bit of olive oil in there, ready to go. And I'm going to start with 2 pieces of the steak at a time. Saute these babies up. Check the pan. Make sure it's hot. Okay. There we go. Let it cook. Okay, the steak's looking good, and that is a non-stick pan. I'm using non-stick tongs. Give it a quick flip like this. Nice and brown. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Adding a little bit of fresh zucchini. Okay, the steak's looking good here. Now we remove it from the pan, and very quickly we add our garlic and our onions. Just a touch more oil, and we let it cook. Touch of fresh herbs. As well as beef stock. Okay, at this point the steak goes back in the sauce, and we coat it really nice like this, and we let the steak simmer in the sauce just for a little bit. Another pan here, we've got some olive oil and a touch of garlic and julienne zucchini. A little bit of chanterelle and tomatoes coming across. This is my hunter sauce. Oh yeah, I tell you, in a French restaurant, $30. But you can make this at home for about $5 or less. So just follow the tips and the videos and you'll be cooking like a gourmet in no time at all. Well, next step I got here, of course, is the fresh herbs. I'm just going to put a little bit around the plate like this. That's it. Thanks for watching the presentation. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.